How to save battery life in Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down to tap on the battery option. So as you tap on battery, here you can see the current mode, it's balanced. So make sure it's balanced and not on performance mode. So when you have low battery, you can save it to battery saver option as well. Next, tap on additional features and you can clear the cache when device is locked, or you can also schedule the power on and off when it's required. Next, what you can do is tap on battery protection and you can see the temperature over here. So make sure that your temperature of the battery is normal. Now after this, you can simply go back and make sure that you do not have many apps running in the background. So you can simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, which is in the square icon, and simply clear all the apps over here. So this also helps to the battery life in your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.